have been getting a lot of messages. Most messages, maybe, why did you barb your hair? Why are you not braiding your hair? Why are you like this? I prefer you when you're on braid. I prefer you when you're on weave-ons. While others say, Messi, you are looking good on your low cuts. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecturing YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today I'm not talking about anything educational. I'm just going to be sharing with my followers that have been asking me why I barbed my hair. I'm just going to be telling you the truth about the reason I barbed my hair and why I did. But before I go into details, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. Let's go there. Right, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with us the reason why I barbed my hair. Yes, generally, the real me, I don't know what I want when it comes to hair making. Seriously, I'm gonna be sincere. I don't really know what I want, because this year you see me on braid, next year I am on low cut. The other year you see me on braid, the other year you see me on braid, the other year I'm on low cut. So I'm just this kind of confused person when it comes to making of hair. So I can't really say, okay, I want to just make my hair, I want to barb my hair. For those that know me right from my secondary school days, throughout my secondary school days, my primary school days, I was on low cut. My mom is still on low cut. Maybe I got that gene from her. My mom is still on low cut. I entered the university, I started making my hair, I barbed it, I'll start again, I'll barb it. So I was just, sincerely, if there's anything that's making me more confused in life, is just my hair, because I don't really know what I want. And I'll be on low cut today and I see one fine braid, I'm like, oh, I have to start making my hair, I'll start breathing again. All of a sudden I'm like, oh, I'm tired, it's giving me headache, I'll stop. So I started making my hair. I think the last time lasted for a very, very long time. I started my videos with my hair. It's been 2 years and my hair is very, very full. It grows very, very fast, so it doesn't really take time to grow. But I just get tired of staying in this salon. And most times when I go to the salon, I hardly make braid. That's just me. What I just do is just to braid it all back. Sorry, I just make all back. Then I start wearing my cap. If it's braided cap, weave-on cap, I just start wearing it and I'm good to go. But it's still stress making that all back on my hair. It's still really stressing me out. Then I was just managing to cool. But the main reason why I cut my hair, immediately I got my certificate of sponsorship, when I knew, I was sure I was going to be traveling out of the country. Then I heard how expensive it is to make your hair in the UK, how expensive it is to do washing and setting in the UK, how expensive anything relating to hair is expensive. Even buying attachment is very, very expensive in the UK. That alone prompted me to barb my hair. So I just told my husband, he doesn't really have issues with that. So I told him, I want to barb my hair. So he gave me the go ahead and I went to barb it here. So one of the most important reasons why I barb my hair is because I don't really have any money to be spending on braiding hair in the UK. Yes, I mean, I don't have plenty money. So that's why you have to watch my videos. That's why you have to share my videos, so that I can have more money to be braiding my hair and making my hair. So that's basically one of the reasons I actually barbed my hair. When I heard about, okay, looking for someone, okay, you know, in Nigeria you can look for someone to make your hair, even if it's expensive. But getting someone to make your hair is also very difficult, because okay, when you are off duty, your colleague that might want to help you to make the hair might be on duty. So you understand? So I have to just cut this hair before coming to the UK. So that is the main reason I cut my hair before coming to the UK. Then after cutting the hair, I got some wigs that helped me to look good. So when I'm tired of this low cut look, I just have to do this. I just have to put this on. Then I'm good to go. I think I'm good to go like this. So I'll just style it to my taste. Do it to my taste. Put it on. Then I'm good to go. If I need the braid wig, I have the braid wig. I'll just wait and I'm good to go. So no need to stress myself. I'm saving myself from cost. So money that I'll use to braid hair, It's enough for me to buy what? It's enough for me to buy wigs. Nice Brazilian wig, nice human hair wig. So the best thing for me, I don't know about you, so me to cut my hair, wear my cap whenever I'm ready, and I'm free to go out and I'm free to shoot my video. So for those that have been asking, I hope I've been able to answer your question, the major reason why I cut my hair. If you have any question, you can drop for the comment section. I'm just being sincere. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. Don't I look pretty? Alright, bye. See you in our next video. Oh, before I go, if you are a nursing student and you're not in our classes on Telegram, you're missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so that you can have access to all our audios that will help your classes and also help you with your exams. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye. This is the reason why I bought my hair.